Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Take first seat.
Thank you, sir.
So this is our first day of class, and by the way, I am teacher Jabel Ibanez, but you can call me teacher for short. Teacher Elliot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since this is our first day of class, I want to know each one of you. So you will introduce yourself. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will start our introducing ourselves with you. So can you please, dear Stella, introduce yourself? Yeah, it's okay, dear. So tell your name, where you live.
My name is Jane.
Oh, your name is Baby Jane. And where did Baby Jane live?
I live in Yuan.
Okay, yes. Oh, very good. Well, take your seat. Okay, next, dear.
Sir, my name is Angeline Sen and I'm here in Kasanao.
Okay, thank you, Tita. Hi.
Hi, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I am Mariel, sir. Can I also introduce my dog?
Yes, of course.
My dog name, sir, is Dahlia. She's my
Dahlia.
friend. Yes.
Oh, your guys looks like beautiful just like you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, take your seat. Here. Hello, here. Okay, I will ask you later. Here. Can you introduce yourself? My name is, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, sir. I
Oh, Bukoy so take your seat. So you dear, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Sandro Peralta. I live in Mampang, Sotoma City.
Oh, hey Sandro, please take your seat. So for the next, you dear.
Hi, sir. I'm Johnny May Palcasantos.
Dear, don't laugh. Why are you doing that action? You don't have to do that action. Okay? You know, dear, when you are copying their action, when you are doing their action, you're hurting their feelings. Remember, dear, you're here, you're brother and sister, dear. So you have to respect each other, dear. And you too, don't laugh them when they're making some actions. Don't laugh them because they're also your brothers, okay? They will hurt your feelings if you are laughing them, okay? Okay, take your seat, dear. So you, dear, introduce yourself.
My name is Chanel Siabugay. I live in Santa Barbara.
Okay, take your seat, dear. You, dear?
My name is Mary Wala. I live in White.
Okay, dear, thank you. So, since I know each one of you except for one, so this is our first day, so I prepared some activity for you. So, what you are doing in my activity is you will to draw your emotion. Your emotion, I mean is a face that has represent your emotion right now. What did you feel right now? So I prepared here a sheet. So we start here. For you dear, I will give to you the instruction. Here in our activity here, we were going to draw a face that has represent your emotions. Did you get it? Okay. Here. Before you forget, before I forgot, so this is the instruction on how will you draw, how will you do your activity. So in your activity here, you will going to draw a face. Then, in that face, you will be drawing what are the emotion or what you feel right now. If you feel sad, you can draw a sad faces. If you feel happy, you can draw a happy faces. And so on and so forth. Did you get it here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. So continue your activity, dear. Dear, why are you not doing your activity?
I don't like, sir. I'm just talking to my dog.
So you should not do your
No,
activity
sir,
for
I
you to
don't
have
want.
some points.
I don't want.
How about you will draw your emotion and also your doubt? Can you do that for me?
Okay, sir.
So you can do it. Oh dear, that's strong dear. So what we are going to do here is we're to go to draw a face. Yes. Then, what you're feeling right now? Oh, you're not sure what you're feeling right now. So what you're feeling right now is you have to put an eyes, then you have to put the zigzag, which is mean that you are not sure what you're feeling right now. But before that, I will change your papers since you draw some here. Here you can continue drawing. Just like what I teach you here. Okay.
Dahlia, are you happy I draw your emotion too? I will also draw my emotion, Dahlia. I'm so excited. Dahlia, just wait. I just draw your emotion. That's also my emotion, Dahlia.
Shut up.
No, I'm just talking to my
Oh,
dog.
you're so annoying. You're so noisy.
No, I'm just
Please
talking
calm
to my
down,
dog.
dear.
I can't focus on what I'm doing.
Here.
No, I'm talking to my dog. I'm not annoying.
No, you're so annoying.
I'm
Really,
just
shut
talking
up.
to my Oh my God! What the hell are you doing? Stop talking to myself!
It's all your fault. It's your dog.
Dear, please, calm down. No, down. Calm down. Don't cry. Here's your dog. Here's your dog.
Sir, she hurt me.
Oh, please calm down. Here's your dog. Don't cry, don't cry.
My dog is hurting, sir.
Okay, don't cry. So do your activity, dear. Don't cry. Calm down, calm down.
No, sir. She started it.
No, I'm just talking to my dog.
No, you're it's her fault.
No. You are here. You are like brother and sister.
No, wait.
You have to
No.
respect. Dear, please calm down here. Don't cry, dear. How about you? Okay, no way. You should
No,
do that.
I don't want here. Maybe I should go out.
Dear, where are you going? Dear. 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 Why are you crying? Dear. You have to do your activity, dear. I will the one who will apologize to you. Dear, let's go inside here. Here, you have to do your activity. Our teacher will going to apologize to Maria. And I know that he will accept your apologies here. Okay, dear? Let's go, dear. Stand up. Don't cry. Okay. Smile, smile, dear. Okay. Dear, please take this.
Teacher, I'm done.
Oh yes, dear. Hold it for me. How about you? Can you please switch seat with you? Can you please switch? So, since you are done with your activity, I will collect it na. Here. Wow, your activity looks like you're dull and new. You look you're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Here. Wow, here your activity you look like that. It's okay. Oh, your activity look at here that you're here. Okay, so here. Okay, dear. That's your activity. Oh, here your activities looks like nice here. Are you done? Okay. Hey dear, are you done? Oh, you're happy. Oh, your drawing is so beautiful. Okay, dear. Wow, you're happy and also you're also happy. So since you are done with your activity, I will dismiss you na, but I don't want you to have fight here, but I will guide you to go out here. So we'll start to go out. You can dismiss me. You can or class is done. Bye class. Dear students,
Hindi kasi,
siya pa wala mo.